All right, in this video, we're gonna be doing repairs of some Travis Scott 4s. These were dyed, but the re-dye wasn't done properly, or excuse me, repainted, as you can see. These were repainted, but the paint didn't come out good, as you can see here. So now we gotta get it off. So what we're doing right now is sanding off the paint. We're just sanding these down. We got a lot of damage here as well. You can see that. We're gonna be fixing up that damage. We got scuffing up here. I'll show you. I think we got some more on another one as well. So we got damage up here as well. We're gonna be fixing these scuffs. I'm gonna show you a hack of how to fix damaged suede like this. Okay, so this is not looking good. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to reenact a leather, I believe it's called a leather iron. So I'm gonna get this piece here and I'm gonna get myself a torch and I'm gonna heat this up for about 10 seconds, 10 to 15 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I heated up the inside because I don't want, like, if there's smoke from the flame, I don't want that residue getting onto the suede. So now I'm gonna take that and now we're gonna lay that suede down, just like that. So we made like a DIY leather iron. That's what that thing is called. You can see we got that suede pressed. You can see that. So we're gonna do that again. 10 seconds, 10, 9. Like, I'm kind of like tapping it. You know, I don't want it to be in one spot for too long. And I'm just laying that suede down. See that? Just like so. You can see that side compared to this side. If you would like to learn more about suede and nubuck repair, please stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna start. In this video, we'll be repairing the suede damage on a pair of Travis Scott 4s using some neutral suede and nubuck renewal powder and sealer. We'll be going through this process step by step, and I'll be showing you some different ways to apply the powder and sealer along with some do's and don'ts. My name is Footprinse. Now let's get into this tutorial. All right, so right here, I'm gonna show you how to apply the neutral powder. You wanna prep your surface so that it's not too smooth, because then the powder and sealer, you may have a little trouble with it sticking. Or go check out my video, how to repair Air Jordan Bred 4s, full restoration. In this video, we'll be doing a full restoration from start to finish. We'll be prepping the midsole, doing a full midsole repaint, and repairing the uppers using nubuck powder and sealer. Once again, my name is Footprinse, and I'd like to thank you for watching. Now please enjoy these clips of me re-dyeing some Travis Scott 4s. Let's start taping up these Travis Scott 4s. I'm gonna be doing a slight re-dye, repaint. I'm not gonna let that spray go, because if I let it go, I might get some splatter. And we'll just do this till I like the color. Now that looks like that was just what we need.